This RE/MAX of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Charlotte Hitchens. Perfect home with perfect price, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, high-volume ceiling some with trays, gas fireplace, quartz kitchen counters, tile backsplash, under-counter lighting, tile, wooden carpet floors, split bedroom floor plan. Dining and living are combined. Wall oven with microwave, Jenn-Aire stovetop, master bath with double lavatories, large walk-in closet, jetted tub and a walk-in shower. Partially covered deck across back of home, maintenance-free landscaping, oversized garage with Swiss Trax flooring. For more information, review the details below or contact Charlotte Hitchens at 501-922-7050.